Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making another super refreshing summer drink. Honey pomegranate mocktail is the perfect way to cool down. So let's dive right in. In a glass, add 1/3 cup of pomegranate juice, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything well. Pour it into a serving glass and top it off with lemonade as needed. For garnish, add 1 slice of orange. And there you go. It's ready to be served. Enjoy your drink. Happy cooking and see you next time.